friends. Today we are going to discuss the concept of feature engineering for machine learning. So what is feature engineering for machine learning? We will discuss it now. First thing, what is feature? Okay, what is feature? So feature means generally in all machine learning algorithms take input data to generate the output. So the input data remains in a tabular form consisting of rows and columns. So columns, the other name for the columns is attributes, and these attributes are often known as features. So we know the table data, right? So what the table consists of? Rows and columns. So rows and columns. Suppose here I have inputs x1, x2, x3. What these are called? These are the columns are attributes. So in terms of feature engineering, these are called the features. So we can call them as attributes also. So columns. So and these are the rows. So these are all are called the features. So in this way. So this is features. Coming to the feature engineering. What is mean by feature engineering? Okay, so the feature engineering is the pre-processing step of machine learning which extract features from the raw data. So it helps to represent an underlying problem to predictive models in a better way, which as a result improve the accuracy of the model for unseen data. So what exactly happens here? So the feature engineering is the main pre-processing step in the machine learning. Suppose I have data x1, x2, x3. Suppose I have some, let us assume I have some missing values or some outliers somewhere. We need to pre-process this data. This is called the pre-processing of the machine learning. So this is done by the feature engineering techniques. So if you see the diagram, here we have data. We'll select the features. We'll do the feature engineering. We'll apply the techniques here to pre-process the data. Then we'll build the model, we'll get the insight. So it is mandatory to do the feature engineering or pre-processing so that our model accuracy will increase. Okay, this is what is feature engineering. So now we'll see some techniques of feature engineering. Right. So these are some feature engineering techniques. In that, the first one is imputation, handling outliers, log transformation, encoding, and scaling. Now we'll discuss what is this one by one. Okay. So what is the first one? Imputation. What is mean by imputation here means imputation in feature engineering. Imputation is the process of replacing missing data in a variable with statistical estimates. Suppose here in some rows there is a missing value. Maybe intentionally or unintentionally we have one missing value. Compulsory we need to pre-process this by using the imputation techniques. So these imputation techniques take some statistical estimation. So we can use either mean imputation or median imputation or mode imputation. So we have three types. So any one of the imputation techniques we can use to replace the missing value. Okay, coming to the handling outliers. So exactly what is outliers? Outliers are deviated values. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4 is there. Suppose suddenly I got 20. This is the deviated value, which does not belongs to this group. Okay, are data points that are observed too away from the other data points in such a way that they badly affect the performance of the model. So if you proceed directly with this outlier, definitely our accuracy will drop. So compulsory we have to apply this feature engineering techniques to pre-process the data. So outliers can be handled with this feature engineering technique so that this technique first identifies the outliers, then it will remove the outlier. Okay, right. Next we'll see what is log transformation. So what is log transformation? So log transformation in the feature engineering is a data transformation technique that replaces each variable in a column with its logarithmic. So exactly what is the transformation? Just simply converting the non-normal data into the normal data. That comes under log transformation. It just simply replaces the variable with algorithm. And encoding. Coming to the encoding. What exactly is encoding means in feature engineering? Encoding is the process of transforming categorical variable into numerical values so that machine models can use them. Suppose I have one column with some categorical data, like there yes, no, with some discrete data. So compulsory we have to deal with this type of categorical data. So for that we apply the encoding techniques. Encoding so that machines can understand the value. So after the encoding, there may be 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. So which the machine understands easily. So any machine learning algorithms we can build on this encoded data. So we have some techniques in the encoding, one hot encoding, like label encoding. So we have many encoding techniques that are available in the feature engineering. Okay, coming to the scaling. What is scaling? Scaling is a method used to normalize the range of independent variables or features data. So what happens is sometimes we will get some values in 2, 3, 4, but some features with 2000, 4000, 5000. So there is a huge variation between the values. In such cases, we take the help of scaling to normalize these values, maybe in particular range. That may be from -1 to 1, the range, the particular range, all the values, so that it will be easy to proceed or to build the models. Here also, in the scaling, we have min-max scalar, and we have standard scalar. So we can use these scaling techniques to normalize the range of the independent variables in the features. Okay, these are the some techniques in the feature engineering. Okay, this is end of feature engineering for machine learning. Thank you.